You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long subtraction. The final result is 1,892.713. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Put zeros in the blank number places. Subtract the numbers using long subtraction method. Because the upper digit, 0, in the thousands column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 1, in the next number place which becomes 0, and get 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Because the upper digit, 0, in the hundredths column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 6, in the next number place which becomes 5, and get 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Because the upper digit, 5, in the tenths column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 2, in the next number place which becomes 1, and get 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. Because the upper digit, 1, in the ones column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 1, in the next number place which becomes 0, and get 11. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Because the upper digit, 0, in the tens column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the digit, 9, in the next number place which becomes 8, and get 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Write 8 in the hundreds place. Write 1 in the thousands place. And so the final result is 1,892.713.